Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review from one of my favorite skincare companies. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about The Ordinary. Yes, I bought another product from The Ordinary. So I got the Hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5 serum. You can see it over here. So this is a 30 ml or a 1 fluoride ounce. So this claims the hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. This is my first time trying this actually. As you can see, this is how it comes in. The bottle is transparent, so obviously it's not sensitive to light. So the liquid is very thick, the serum is thick, and I like the fact that it's kind of slimy, and this makes it easier to spread. A little bit goes a very long way. I think there's a 10th product from The Ordinary that I am reviewing. Now, I've been using it for more than 6 weeks, I would say. As you can see, I still have a lot remaining there, more than half. I usually use this in the morning. Basically, I wash my face, and when my face is clean, I double cleanse my face, of course. Then I put a little amount on my face, massage it in, rub it in till it absorbs into my skin, and I'm good to go. You can come in with your favorite cream or facial cream. It's up to you, but you can use this alone. I use this alone because I like the after feel. After I use it, I feel my skin is softer, it's tighter, and it gives it that smooth, supple finish. It really hydrates my skin, so I really like the after feel of this product. And as time went on, I realized that my skin has really improved because it hydrates the skin so much. So those of you with very dry skin, very dry face, you can try this. It really walks the talk. Also, if you want to use it on your body, not on your face, you can mix it with your favorite body lotion and you're good to go. Just put a little amount in your body lotion, mix it up and put it on your body. Very, very great for hydration, smoothing out of the skin and getting rid of fine lines. Your skin becomes more elastic and tighter. So if you want that effect, you can go for this. Now let's see what it says. It says the hyaluronic acid plus, vitamin B5 serum is a water-based formula combining low, medium, and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid molecules and a next generation hydroxy acid cross polymer. This is so scientific, to support hydration to multiple layers of your skin. So basically, this is all about hydration, putting moisture in your skin. It says the pro vitamin B5 is to enhance hydration as the outer layer, resulting in smoother and plumper skin. Yeah, so it makes your skin very supple and very smooth. This is very true. It's claimed the smoothing serum that offers short and long-term hydration. So if you use it instantly, you see, the hydration. Your skin is very hydrated, it's tighter, it's taut, okay? But as you use it for a longer time, you realize that even if you wash it off, even if you don't use it, you still have that effect. If you use it the first day, you're going to get that effect, but after you wash it off, effect goes away. But as time goes on and you use it for longer, you're going to realize that even if you wash it off, the effect remains on your face. So yes, that is true. It boosts skin hydration after 1 week. I agree. It strengthens skin barrier after 4 weeks. Very true. Noticeably smoother and more supple skin after 4 weeks. This is very true. Even under 4 weeks, you're going to see that. It reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after 4 weeks. I cannot attest. I can say that, my skin was smoother and more elastic. My skin was smoother and more elastic, and I like that. Now, this is odorless. It doesn't have any smell. You can't smell anything. It doesn't have fragrance. So if you're looking for something with a nice smell, well, this is not the product for you. But hey, it's a very, very good product. It walks the talk. If you want some hydration, if you've got very dry skin or combination skin, especially during the colder seasons, this is a great serum to add to your regime. You can use it in the morning or in the evening. It doesn't really mind the sun, so it's okay. And you can use it alone or you can mix it with your cream. If you're using it on your face, it's advisable to put it on your face, massage, get it to absorb. Then you put on your favorite, facial cream and you're good to go. I must say, this is one of my favorite products from The Ordinary. I have used, some good products, some not so good. I've used some bad products from The Ordinary, but I must say this hyaluronic acid 2% and B5, vitamin B5 is one of my favorite, and I'm definitely going to get it again because I like the effects. I like how it feels on my skin. I like the fact that it hydrates my skin and makes it supple and smoother. So yeah, this is my review. This was about $9. Yes, $9, around $9 from their shop. So it's very, very affordable for 30 ml, and for the work that it does, it even deserves a higher price. But Ordinary products are very affordable. So yeah, this is a cool thing, and I'm definitely going to get it again. Okay, guys, so that is it. Let me find out in the comment section, have you ever used this product? Are you thinking of buying it? Let me know what you think. This does not irritate the eyes, and it's a very good product to add to your skincare regime. Okay, so that is it, and I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.